but I missed you. It feels like we haven't seen each other in forever. And even though I believe a break from each other is healthy, I've been longing so desperately to see you. Without you, my days felt so dark and empty. But you finally decided to show up again. The sun. Living in a place where the sun barely shows itself when the days are the shortest makes it all more special when it's here again. I'm not exaggerating when I say it feels like seeing a loved one for the first time in years. And right now, around February, is when I start to really notice that our days get longer and longer again. The sun actually rises above the horizon, and it even stays there for a few hours. It also feels like the weather in general is better compared to a grey month like December. While December feels like it has a wet, grey duvet of clouds hanging over you, February can really bring out those wonderful winter days. And even though it has been less snow than usual this year, this is still the most beautiful part of winter. And the light alone makes February feel like home. You don't only know brighter days are coming, you can feel that they're already here. Slowly but steady, of course, but it really has a way of making your body burst out in excitement and joy. This is the time when you, even for just a moment, can smell the distant but coming summer. And the beautiful weather made it feel like the frozen lake down by the cabin were calling for us. When there, we put our ice skates on and headed out. Ja, jag fick en kopp. My friend come and said hi. So I will bring my camera bag with me out on the ice, but I will leave the other bag right here by the shore. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So we found a little spider that had blown out on the ice. My dad is carrying it now. We're gonna try to save it, put it by the shore. Oh. But we saved a life today.
Well, at least it has a chance.
So we just encountered some open water, as you can see here. So we have to try to get over there instead. We don't want to get wet. Ja, kan vi gå ner här eller?
Ja, jag går ner här. Här går ju att åka på en vatten ovanpå. Vi går ner här.
But the lake wasn't the only thing we skated on. Just like last year, it had been cold enough for the river to freeze, at least partly. The ice here was so beautiful, being all see-through, as well as both thick enough to hold, but thin enough to make this magical sound. Finally seeing the sun again feels just so amazing. It puts me in such a good mood. I don't know how to describe it. I'm so thankful for the days I've had here at the country house. They mean so much to me. I just wish everyone were able to escape their everyday life from stress at work and living in a city to come out to something like this. The other day I also started to have a little dream, not the one that you have when you're sleeping, more of like something I want to achieve. And I would really love to be able to one day buy a piece of land, an amount of forest, and then turn it into a reserve, a nature reserve. Because I really do believe that the forest is under serious threat. It's being so exploited all over the world. I want to save what I can save. So one day I hope I can buy a piece of forest and make it a place where everyone can go to simply be in nature. That would be so wonderful if I one day can do that. Ja, hej! Vad fin du var! Ja, jättefin! Ska vi gå och säga hej? Hej, ja. Vad fin du är. Ja. Ja, det här vill jag ha. Ja. Gud, vad söt du är. I'm taking a little walk by the river. Not all parts of the river are frozen, so I'm gonna go to my favorite spot and just sit there and watch the water pass by and just be for a moment. While arriving to my favorite spot by the river, I decided to just sit and take everything in and process. To process the surgery I made, which I'm still recovering from. Not having Alex next to me during this recovery, and just thinking about what I want out of life and how to get there. And maybe most important of all, appreciating what I actually do have and where I am in life. It's so easy to get stuck on what we want for the future but we never really sit down and just think about what we already have. To appreciate where we are in this moment. To appreciate where we are in life. Today, February 11th, is actually my birthday. I'm turning 31 years old today. And I'm gonna celebrate by having a lot of sweets. I have such a huge sweet tooth, you have no idea. So, I haven't been eating lunch yet. After this, I will go back to the cabin and have lunch. And then after that, I'm gonna have so much sweets and candy. So I thought I would actually try something new. I want to try to make my voiceover outside. Previously I made my voiceover in my closet where my clothes take up a lot of the bad sound, like the echo and stuff. And I thought this would be way more fun for me to record the voiceovers, and I also want my videos to be as natural and about nature as possible, so this just feels more fitting for my channel. I hope it works, and if it does, and you see this video or this clip in my video, you know that my voiceover for this video is through this clip from sitting outside here. Let's hope it works. I'm gonna start reading now. Here we go. Eventually, it was time to go back to Stockholm. It was so nice to be at the cabin once again, and I'm already looking forward to the next time. And I hope you guys want to follow me along that time as well. Please leave a comment and consider subscribing.